Jai Srimanarayana. 265th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Shruti Sagaraya Namaha. Ho Srimanarayana, as and how all the rivers finally, eventually gets and merges into ocean, so also just like that, each and every letter, each and every mantra in Veda mantras, their ultimate purpose is to recognize your glory. Their ultimate purpose is to glorify your divine qualities. Their ultimate purpose is to disclose your supremacy. Narayana, Paraha, Vedaha, all the Veda mantras are disclosing and declaring the supremacy of Srimanarayana. Oi Bhagavantuda, Srimanarayana, you yourself declared in Srimad Bhagavad Gita 15th chapter saying that Vedaischa sarvaihi ahameva vedyaha. Every Veda mantra is talking about me. You also said, Oi Srimanarayana, all the mantras having their ultimate purpose is to only glorify your supremacy. Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Shruti Sagaraya Namaha. Om Shruti Sagaraya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata, he is accusing his mother Kaikamma with so much of angry. He is saying that, Ho Kaikamma, Rama and Lakshmana, both of them are my Shakti. Now you sent that Shakti away from me. How are you expecting and with what kind of Shakti you are expecting me to rule this kingdom? Keda Shakti Prabhavena. How are you expecting me to do this? Ho Kaikamma, even Dasaratha Maharaju also, ever since Rama is born, only he is under Rama Rakshana. He was not protecting Rama, but he was feeling that he is under Rakshana by Sri Ramachandra Swami. Even I noticed that our Maharaju also used to rule this kingdom because only the Shakti he is feeling that Rama is there with me. That is how he always used to feel that power and Shakti. That is how he ruled the kingdom. Ho Kaikamma, Adhava me bhavet Shaktihi yogaihi buddhihi balenava. Even if you think that just like Maharaju, what he has all kind of strongness and all kind of strength and all kind of great strategies and all kind of great dharana Shakti, grahana Shakti and Ashtanga Yoga Buddhi. All these things Dasaratha Maharaju has. If you think that I also have the same thing and the same ability, even after I have that kind of ability, I am not going to rule this kingdom. Listen to me carefully, because I do not want your dream to come true. I do not want your wish to be fulfilled. That is why I am not going to rule this kingdom. Ho Kaikamma, if my Ramachandra Swami was not revering and was not respecting you just like his own mother Kausalya, you know what? I would have left you long back. I am still respecting you means because Rama respects you. If I don't do that, he would feel bad. That is only the reason I am respecting you. I am still considering you. Ho Kaikamma, you know that. You know this fact that in our dynasty, only the eldest son gets to be coronated to the kingdom. How did you even expect this to be happened in our dynasty? Natu kamam karishyami, ho Kaikamma. At any cost, I am not going to let your wish come true. Take it and listen to me carefully right now while you are looking at me. Anyway, I realize that you have destroyed me completely. Now I am going to be doing this now, right now, while you are looking at me. I am going to go to forest. I am going to have my Sakala Kalyana Gunabhirama Sri Ramachandra Swami come back and again do the Pattabhishekam. I shall do the Pattabhishekam of this Ayodhya to my Sri Ramachandra Swami, and I will declare myself as his servant. Dasabhuto Bhavishyami. Forever, without having any second thought, I am going to be serving my Ramachandra Swami. I am going to be completely declare myself as servant to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Like this, Bharata is declaring with all of his emotions, and while he is completely shaking, and also he is accusing and scolding his own mother. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 28th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Vrushahi Vrushabho Vishnuhu Vrushaparva Vrushodaraha Vardhano Vardhamanascha Viviktaha Shrutisagaraha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Shruti-Sagaraya Namaha. Om Shruti-Sagaraya Namaha. Om Shruti-Sagaraya Namaha.